Hello students, today we are going to start the second part of the coordinate geometry. We have seen the distance formula. First, the use of the distance formula is to find the distance between the 2 points that we have seen. Second, to show the points are collinear that we have seen. And third, if the distance is given, then we have to find out the coordinate that we have seen. Today we are going to see the next use of the distance formula. It means to show the type of triangle, either to show the type of quadrilateral. So I have written one sum. Here you have to show that it is a parallelogram. Now let me tell you the one idea in this one. Here they are saying that show that this is a parallelogram. It means 100% this is a parallelogram. You have to show it only. But if the question comes like whether it is a parallelogram, then there are chances that it may be a parallelogram, either it may not be a parallelogram. But here they are using the word show that it means 101% it is a parallelogram. Okay, so let's start. The first, we know that in parallelogram the 4 sides are there. So we have to find the first one is PQ. So P's coordinates are 2 and minus 2. Q's coordinates are 7 and 3. x1 equals to 2, y1 equals to minus 2, x2 equals to 7, y2 equals to 3 by distance formula. We will get distance PQ equals to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Now what you have to do? You have to substitute the values. x2 is given 7, x1 is given 2 bracket square, y2 is given 3, then minus sign, y1 is given minus 2, so it should be in small bracket square. So equals to 7 minus 2 will be as it is plus. I told you that if the minus sign is outside the bracket, then you have to change the inside one. So it should be 2. Then 7 minus 2 is a 5 square. Then 3 plus 2, 5 square. So what will we get? 5 square is 25 plus 5 square is 25. So equals to root 50. And we can factorize the 50 as 25 into 2. So you'll get the answer. The root of 25 is 5 and root 2 will be as it is. So we'll get the distance PQ equals to 5 root 2. Now let's start with the second distance, which is that QR. Again here you have to write the Q's coordinates are 7 and 3. R coordinates are 11 and minus 1. So x1 equals to 7, y1 equals to 3, x2 equals to 11, y2 equals to minus 1. Therefore, by distance formula, we will get distance QR equals to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Now substitute the values. x2 is given 11, x1 is given 7, y2 is given minus 1, then minus sign, y1 is 3, 7 minus 11 minus 7 is 4, Then minus 1 minus sign are same, addition, and give the sign of larger number. So here you will get it, 4 square is 16 and minus 4 square is also plus 16 because minus square is always positive. 16 plus 16, 32. So we can factorize the 32 as 16 into 2. The root of 16 is 4. So you get the answer 4 root 2, distance QR equal to 4 root 2. Now first one is PQ, second is QR, then third one is RS. So R's coordinates are 11 and minus 1. S coordinates are 6 and minus 6. So x1 equals to 11, y1 equals to minus 1, x2 equal to 6, y2 equal to minus 6 by distance formula. You will get distance RS equals to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Now substitute the value. x2 is given 6, x1 is 11, y2 is minus 6. Then minus sign, y1 is again minus 1. So you have to write it in small bracket. Okay. Then 6 minus 11 will be as it is. Here minus 6. Minus sign is outside the bracket. You have to change the inside one. So it will be converted into plus. Sign are different. Then subtraction and give the sign of larger number. So you get it minus 5. Then minus 6 plus 1 subtraction and give the sign of larger number. Minus square is always positive. 5 square is 25. Then 5 square is 25. So you will get root 50. Then we can factorize the root 50 as 25 into 2. So you will get your answer as pi root 2 because the 25 square root is 5. So distance RS equals to pi root 2. So this is your answer. Now let's start with the last one. Which is the last one? PQ is first, QR is second, RS is third. Then this is the last one. P and S. Let's find the distance between P and S. So here you have to write the coordinate of P, 2 minus 2, and the S is 6 minus 6. So x1 equals to 2, y1 equals to minus 2, x2 equal to 6, y2 equal to minus 6 by distance formula. You will get distance PS equals to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So now substitute the value. x2 is 6 minus x1 is 2 bracket square, y2 is minus 6 and minus sign, then y1 is minus 2, so you have to write it in small bracket square. So here 6 minus 2 will remain as it is, then minus 6 minus, and this minus will be converted into plus. So you will get 6 minus 2, 4 square, plus minus 6 plus 2, sign are different. Then what you have to do? Subtraction and give the sign of larger number. Then you will get 4 square 16. Minus square is always positive. 4 square is 16. So you will get here the root 32. So we can factorize the root 32 as a 16 into 2. So you will get the answer 4 root 2 because the root of 16 is 4. So we can write it distance RS equals to 4 root 2. Now see this. Here the distance PQ is 5 root 2. I am going to write it here. Distance PQ equals to 5 root 2. Distance RS equals to 5 root 2. Therefore, distance PQ equals to distance RS. Give the number 1. Distance QR is equals to 4 root 2. Distance PS equals to 4 root 2. Therefore, we can write it distance QR is equal to distance PS. And give the number second. From 1 and 2, you will get quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay, because the opposite sides are congruent, therefore it is a parallelogram. Let's start with the second example. In first example, we have seen the type of quadrilateral. Here we have to see the type of triangle. In triangle, it has 3 sides. So it means you have to find the 3 distances. 1, the segment PQ, then QR and then PR. Let me tell you here, if all 3 sides are equal, then it is equilateral triangle. If the 2 sides are congruent, then it is isosceles triangle. But here the question is different. You have to show that it is a right angle triangle. Here you have to find out the 3 distances. I have written already the coordinates and the distance formula already here. It means you have to find out the distance between PQ, then QR and then PR. But here you have to remember the one extra point. It is a right angle triangle. It means hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So let's start to find the distance between PQ, QR and PR. So I have written all the coordinates with the distance formula. Now I am going to substitute the values only. x2 is given 2, minus x1 is minus 2. So it should be in small bracket. y2 is given 2, y1 is given 2. So here you will get it 2 minus, if the minus is outside the bracket, you have to change the inside one. So it will be converted into plus. 2 minus 2, it is 0. So no need to write it here. So 2 plus 2 is a 4 square. And 4 square, we know that it is a 16. And root of 16 is 4. So it means here you get the distance PQ is 4. This is your first answer. Then we have to find out the distance between QR. I have written the coordinates of Q and R, then by distance formula. You have to substitute the values only now. x2 is given 2, x1 is 2, y2 is 7 and y1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So no need to write the 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 square. 5 square is 25. 25 root is 5. So it means distance QR equals to 5. Give the number second to this one. Now what we have to do? Find the distance between PR. I have written the coordinates of P and R by distance formula. Now you have to substitute the values. x2 is given 2 minus, then x1 is minus, so you have to write it in small bracket. y2 is given 7, y1 is given 2. So here you will get 2 minus sign is outside bracket, you have to change the inside one, so it will be converted into plus. Then 7 minus 2 will be as it is. 2 plus 2, 4 square. 7 minus 2 5 square. So 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. So you get it root 41. So distance PR equals to root 41. This is your equation number 3. Now let's see on the sides of PQ, QR and PR. Let's show it is a right angle triangle. So equation 1, 2 and 3. So I am going to write the values of both the three. Distance PQ equals to 4. Distance QR equals to 5. And distance PR equals to root 41. So which is the larger one? This is the larger one. So you have to make a square of this one first. Distance PR square equals to root 41 square. So if I do the square of this one, so square and root will be cancelled. So PR square you will get 41. Give the number 4. Then add these two and make the square. PQ square plus QR square equal to 4 square plus 5 square equals to 16 plus 25. So you will get it PQ square plus QR square equal to 41. Give the number 5. So what you observe from 4 and 5? That this is 41, this is also 41. So from 4 and 5 you will get PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. Therefore, triangle PQR is a right angled triangle. Okay? Let's start with the third equation, third sum, which is different one. Here you have to show that y equals to x minus 2. Again, the question is xy is equidistant from point 71 and 35. It means suppose this is a point P which have coordinate x and y, and the point is A whose coordinate is 7 and 1, and the another point is B whose coordinates are 3 and 5. What they are saying that this is equidistant. It means these two distances are equal. So it means we have to find out the distance PA first and then PB. So let's find out the distance PA and PB. So here I am going to write the P's coordinates are x and y, and A's coordinates are 7 and 1. So x1 equals to x, y1 equals to y, x2 equals to 7 and y2 equals to 1 by distance formula. You will get distance PA equals to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Now substitute the value. X2 is 7 and x1 is x plus y2 is 1 minus y whole square. So here you got the distance PA. I am going to give the number 1 to this one. Okay. Now I am going to find out the distance PB. So here P's coordinates are x and y, and B's coordinates are 3 and 5. x1 equals to x, y1 equals to y, x2 equals to 3, y2 equals to 5. Therefore, by distance formula, what you get? Distance PB equals to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Now substitute the values. x2 is 3 and x1 is x. 3 minus x bracket square. y2 is 5. 5 minus y bracket square. So it means distance PB is equals to this one. So I am going to give the number second. But what they are saying that PA equals to PB. But PA equals to PB. Therefore, the value of PA is here 7 minus x bracket square. 1 minus 1 y bracket square equal to under root 3 minus x bracket square plus 5 minus y bracket square. Both the roots will be cancelled. So you will get 7 minus x square plus 1 minus y square equal to 3 minus x square plus 5 minus y square. Now let's do the square of the bracket. 7 square is 49 minus sign. 2 into first into second is a 14x. Minus square is always positive. This is x square. 1 square is 1. Then minus 2 into first into second is a 2y. Then minus y square is y square. 3 square is 9. Then minus 2 into 3 6 into x. Minus x square is plus x square. Then plus 5 square is 25. Minus 5 to the 10y plus y square. So here you can cancel y square, x square. Now remaining things you have to write it. 49 minus 14x plus 1 minus 2y. 9 minus 6x plus 25 minus 10y. So you have to prove that y equal to x minus 2x. So y should be on left hand side and all will remain on the right hand side. So here minus 2y will be as it is. And this minus will come on this side. So it will be plus 10y. Now x goes on that side. Minus x, 6x will be as it is. And this is minus, so it will be plus 14x. Then 9 plus 25 is 34. And this is 49 plus 1, 50. It goes on that side, so it will be minus 15. Sign are different, then subtraction and give the sign of larger number. So you will get it 8y equal to, again this will be plus 8x and this is minus 16. Sign are different, subtraction and give the sign of larger number. If I divide it by 8, you will get it y equal to x minus 2. 8 cancel, 8 to the 16. So hence y equal to x minus 2 is proved.